Smart Guides is not a new feature of Photoshop. It's had a really nice update in this version. It does some really nice things. Just a nice little addition. It's going to make life a whole lot simpler. So as soon as we take a look at any kind of document here, I have just a bunch of layers. If I just want to start to see the relationship between things, I can click on a layer and then I hold down the Command key and hover. It's going to give me different pieces of information, including the distance away from the edge of the document, and then if I hover over other layers each time, it's going to show me kind of the relationship between the layer I'm on and the layer I want to be working with. So if you just want to get some information about something, that's a pretty good start. Over here, I've created a series of objects. Now before these other ones I've made into smart objects already, but first let me just show you this. If I click, for example, on the type layer and do that same command hover, it's going to show me here the relationship between the type layer and the box. So I can see where it is within the box or where it is relative to everything else on the page. So I'm just going to take those two layers and convert them to a smart object just for the sake of argument. And now let's take this second layer. It's already showing me the distance between it and the other document. So if I take this layer and move it over, I want to position it somewhere around there. 49 pixels. Actually, let's make it 50. And that's just a quick example. If I want to make sure I was pretty close now, I just nudge with the arrow key and it's set to 50. Let's come over to this layer and move it over, and all of a sudden it says, okay, now that one's 50. Grab this layer, boom. And that's it, quick and simple. It's a really nice addition, the ability to see live measurements as you're moving things, but also hover over different layers and see the relationship between them. Nice improvement to Smart Guides.